on here?
Asa, you're not eating your food. What's the problem?
Is that the private jet?
Yes. Wow.
Wow. Do you know that I've never entered a plane in my life? Talk more of a private jet.
You have never entered a plane before?
Yes.
Do you know what? We're going to enter a plane today.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my.
Where's the manager here?
How may I help you?
Oh, you are the manager here.
Yes, I am.
All right. I want to book a flight for my girl.
Well, we don't book jets here. If you want to get on a plane, you go to the regular airport. You have to own a plane to be here. Do you have a plane?
So I have to own a plane to be here?
Yes.
Okay then. How much are you selling one? Let me buy one.
You're a funny guy. You can't afford one. All right? This is not for peasants. This is Clearport.
How much are you selling one?
$25 million.
All right. Let me have your account number.
310
310
864
864
0145.
0145.
First Bank.
Done. You can check your account.
You're hilarious, guy.
The work is done.
It is what it is. You pay?
So, where's our jet? How do you feel?
I feel so fulfilled.
I wanna get to know you, I'm loving your body. Yeah. And I wanna dance with you now and after the party.
Babe, what are you doing here?
Who's that guy that just dropped you now?
What's your problem with the guy?
Wait, you have been cheating on me. Hi, God. Eh? So after all I've done for you, you have the guts to cheat on me.
What have you done for me? Did I force you to do it? No, did I force you? Please get a life.
You don't blow. Everywhere don't blow, bro. What do you want like this? If they feel asking it, what have you done for me? Who am I?